Welcome back to Frontline News. I'm Sasha Lee Hamilton. It's now time for Frontline Business. The Irish Times newspaper is reporting that Digicel Group is in talks to form a network sharing partnership with a rival in one of its markets in order to reboot cash levels. The move comes as Digicel deals with ongoing interest payments on its almost $7 billion debt. More in this report.
The Irish Times quoted sources as saying that Digicel's executives told bondholders on a call last week that the group's liquidity levels remain tight but manageable. The executives reportedly signaled the network's joint venture talks without identifying which of the 32 markets in which Digicel operates across the Caribbean, Central America, and Pacific Islands is subject to the plan. According to the Irish Times, while Digicel is estimated to have raised more than $150 million from the sale of mobile towers in Jamaica, El Salvador, and French West Indies in the past 3 years, a network sharing accord could be a first for the group. It added that Digicel would be able to raise proceeds by selling assets into a joint venture vehicle, which would be able to raise debt finance in its own right. A partnership with another operator would also result in an overall reduction in future capital expenditure demands. The Irish Times says a spokesman from Digicel declined to comment on the contents of the bondholder call. Mahalia Anderson, Frontline Business.
Trans-Jamaican Highway's initial public offering IPO will close today. The IPO, which is the largest in the country's history, opened on February 17 with 8 billion shares. It was upsized to 10 billion shares as a result of oversubscription. The revised offer represents 80% of Trans-Jamaican Highway. The IPO is expected to raise $14.1 billion. The Jamaica Single Window for Trade, J-SWIFT, is to be piloted at the Trade Board Limited starting this month. This was disclosed by Chief Information Officer at the Jamaica Customs Agency, Andre Williams. J-SWIFT is a one-stop shop electronic system that allows traders to submit information at a single point to fulfill all import and export regulatory requirements. The web-based solution enables importers and exporters to apply for licenses, permits, certificates, and any other international trade-related documents through a single portal. In Wednesday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index declined by 3,561 points to close at under 500,000 units. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 82 stocks, of which 28 advanced, 44 declined, and 10 traded firm. The junior market index declined by 7 points to close at under 3,000 units. Stocks advanced for 138 Student Living, Berger Paints Jamaica, Blue Power Group, CSE 2009.5%, and Caribbean Cement Company. Stocks declined for 1834 Investments, MG Packaging and Paper, Barita Investments, CSE 2000 Limited, and Carreras Limited. Trading firm were Access Financial Services, Caribbean Cream, Siboney Group Limited, Consolidated Bakeries, and JMMB Group 7.5%. Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial was the volume leader with 20.2 million units, followed by Wigton Wind Farm Limited ordinary shares with over 6 million units and Mailpat Group with over 1.5 million units. Now for the foreign exchange. News in oil. Oil prices rose on Monday, reversing an earlier fall to multi-year lows as hopes of a deeper cut in output by OPEC and stimulus from central banks countered worries about damage to demand from the coronavirus outbreak. Brent crude futures rose 95 cents to $50.62 a barrel. West Texas Intermediate WTI crude futures gained $1.12 to $45.88 a barrel. And that's it for Frontline Business. I'm Sasha Lee Hamilton. Pleasant viewing.